Have you ever wondered if you can make a smooth, aromatic orange vodka at home without harsh artificial flavors and without waking up with a headache the next day? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to make a professional quality orange flavored vodka at home, even if you are a complete beginner. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. This channel is all about learning how to make clean, high-quality alcoholic drinks at home, from vodka and brandy to wine, whiskey, and beer. If you are completely new to this world, don't worry, all of my tutorials are made from zero, and I explain everything slowly and clearly. So even if this is your very first time hearing about distillation, you will be able to follow along. Before we start, I need to say a few very important things. Alcohol is not for people under the legal drinking age. Drinking too much alcohol is harmful to your health. This video is for educational purposes only. Also, laws about distillation and alcohol production are different in every country. It is your responsibility to check and follow the laws where you live. To make orange-flavored vodka, we have two main methods. The first method is using high-quality, food-grade oil-based flavor essences. This method is faster and easier to control. The second method is natural flavoring, using fresh orange peels. This method is healthier and gives a more natural aroma, but it takes more time and usually requires one extra distillation step, which actually makes the vodka cleaner and higher quality. In this video, I will explain both methods in detail. For both methods, we need one very important thing: high-proof vodka, at least 60% alcohol. If you don't have vodka yet, don't worry. I already have full beginner videos on the channel showing how to ferment vodka wash from white sugar and how to distill it properly and safely. Please watch those videos first. I will put the links in the video description. After fermentation, you do your first distillation and collect the output until it reaches about 20% alcohol. Then you pour that vodka back into the still, add the same amount of water to dilute it, and start the second distillation. During the second distillation, you collect the alcohol in small containers, step by step. This helps you separate unwanted light and heavy alcohols and keep only the clean, smooth middle part. The last containers usually have very low alcohol percentage. Set those aside. We will use them later for dilution. Now let's start with the faster method. First, measure the alcohol percentage of your vodka using an alcohol meter. Then, use a dilution formula to calculate how much 40% vodka you will have in the end. For every 1 liter of final vodka, add 7 to 10 drops of high-quality, food-grade orange essence, depending on how strong the essence is. Close the bottle and shake it hard for 3 to 4 minutes until the essence is fully mixed into the vodka. Next, add 10 grams of sugar per liter of final vodka. Shake again for another 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar is completely dissolved. Finally, adjust the alcohol percentage to 40% using clean water and the low-proof vodka you set aside earlier. Close the bottle, but not too tight. Leave it slightly loose so air can escape and let it rest for 7 to 10 days. After that, your orange vodka is ready. Now let's move to the natural and more traditional method. Again, first calculate how much 40% vodka you want in the end. For every 1 liter of vodka, take the peel from 2 fragrant oranges. It is very important to remove all the white part of the peel because it makes the vodka bitter. You can use a peeler to take only the thin orange layer. Cut the peels into small pieces and put them into your high-proof vodka. If you like, you can also add a very small piece of cinnamon stick or a little vanilla powder to create a more complex flavor. Close the jar and let it sit for at least 10 days. Shake the jar once a day. After about 2 weeks, your vodka will look similar to this, very aromatic, but slightly yellow and cloudy. If the smell is not too strong and you don't mind the color, you can simply filter it and skip the third distillation. But if you want a clear, smooth, professional quality vodka, this is where the third distillation comes in. Because some aroma is lost during distillation, add the same amount of fresh orange peel you used before into the still. Pour the flavored vodka into the still. Add the same amount of water to dilute it. Then add the low-proof vodka you saved earlier, and again add the same amount of water. Start the distillation. Discard a very small first portion to clean the condenser. Then continue slowly and in stages until you reach about 20% alcohol. Once again, separate the light and heavy alcohols, and keep only the most aromatic, clean middle part. Measure the alcohol percentage again. Calculate the final volume of 40% vodka, and add 10 grams of sugar per liter. Shake strongly for 3 to 4 minutes until the sugar is fully dissolved. Adjust the alcohol percentage with clean water. Close the bottle with a slightly loose cap, and let it rest for 7 to 10 days. After that, you can enjoy your smooth, homemade orange-flavored vodka. Cheers! If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. On this channel, I regularly upload tutorials about flavoring vodka with different fruits and spices, as well as full step-by-step guides for making brandy, wine, whiskey, beer, and more. All the tools used in this video are linked in the description through Amazon. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.